A group of passionate volunteers in Penang has vowed to protect an endangered primate species known as the dusky langurs. University Science Malaysia PhD student in zoology Jolin Yap spearheaded the community science project called Langur Project Penang or LPP in 2016 to study the primate's behaviour, ecology and road ecology.
So I started Langur Project Penang when I was doing my master degree because I have a passion in science communication as well as primate research. So why dusky langurs? First, they are understudied, and second, they are endangered species, and third, there are many people having a perception, like very bad perspective towards primates in Malaysia. So when talking about the numbers, we do not know yet. Because first of all, our research is very focused on their behaviour and ecology, and for calculating their population, in Penang itself, or even in the whole Peninsula Malaysia, is a very complicated and tedious job. We need a lot of manpower, need a lot of funding to help support this research.
Despite being a wildlife species, LPP's research found that the dusky langurs spend a lot of time by the roadside and some in urban habitat. As such, the group promotes education and awareness campaigns to promote empathy and support for the species. In February last year, LPP installed an urban canopy bridge for the dusky langurs and other wildlife to safely cross the road.
So for dusky langurs, they are treetop animals, or we call them the arboreal wildlife. In order to cross the road, they either road run or crossing along the cable wire, which is really risky. They may get electrocuted or even encounter road accidents. So we built canopy bridge, as you can see over here, so that can assist them to cross the road safely.
The canopy bridge is made of upcycled fire hoses donated by the Fire and Rescue Department of Malaysia. LPP also installed surveillance cameras to track its usage. For now, Jolene says the group relies on its passionate volunteers to make the project a success.
So our project is 100% volunteering based. So far we have no salary for each volunteer, including myself. And for long-term team, currently we have like 5 to 6 people. And most of our projects are run by volunteers, especially those part-time and ad hoc volunteers.
Teo Hun Cheng, who worked in the IT industry for 20 years, joined the group as a volunteer in 2017.
I myself personally, I like nature and also wildlife. So when I came across LPP on the Facebook, I kind of followed on them to look into what are the activities that they have. And then I personally talked to Jolene. After understanding from Jolene, I feel that the work that been done by LPP is meaningful in terms of the protecting the langur. So after talking to her, I decided to join LPP as a volunteer. We need people to be more aware in terms of the langur, and not only langur, about other wildlife. Like, okay, for example, it's like while we are driving across the habitat that has a wildlife crossing, I think we need to be careful. And then we don't feed the wildlife, example, the monkeys, because if we're doing this, they'll be more dependent on human and also they will be aggressive to people.
Jolene has many more plans for the LPP, which include registering the project as an enterprise once she completes her PhD and installing canopy bridges in different parts of the country. She also urged Malaysians to play their role in protecting the wildlife.
There are many ways that people can help. Like for example, monkeys, they are very cute, so many people keep them as pets. Keep them at home or even sell them illegally online or even in the black market. So as a Malaysian, when you see something like this on social media, never hesitate to report. If you can go extra miles, always volunteer your time to help this small environmental organisation. From freshwater terrapins like Turtle Conservation Society, from Gibbon Conservation Society, to Malaysian Primatological Society, and even to us, Langur Project Penang. All these small organisations need manpower. At the same time, we need funding as well. Hence, all kinds of help is appreciated.
For more information, visit Langur Project Penang Facebook page.